This is Kugoo S1, and this is the biggest problem about this electric scooter. Differently from many other scooters, Kugoo S1 has a plastic rear wheel, which has excellent rolling resistance, but terrifying, terrible vibration and sound which many Kugoo users just hate. But then, why don't we just replace the wheel with a rubber or inflatable one? That should be easy, right? So we go to Amazon, and if we look for a Kugoo, wherever you look for, this is what you will find. Alright, we know that Kugoo S1 or S3 or whatever you call it, is actually a copy of EWOW scooter. So you can find a wheel here for $29, and we will talk about this a little bit later, and some spare parts, and you will find another wheel which doesn't have axle, and so on and so on. So what many other people do, as they can't find Kugoo stuff on Amazon, they head towards China, and we go to AliExpress. So you will find the same wheel, just a little bit cheaper here on another listing. There are people complaining about this axle getting broken and people getting injured, losing their teeth and so on. And actually, if I look at the 6mm axle, it doesn't look reliable at all. And I will not risk my or my family's health buying stuff that doesn't look reliable even from the picture. I don't. The next one comes this air wheel for EWOW scooter, and this one I tried to buy and ship it from China, and when it arrived I have noticed that it's a little bit taller and that it's not perfect fit for this scooter, or in other words, it's actually a bad fit for the scooter. Moreover, it comes without an axle, so you will need to manufacture it somewhere. Third option is the fat wheel, which is 50mm wide. And I also tried to fit this in, and I also made a video which I will put the link into the description. It comes without axle again, and this is one problem, and another one, it's too wide to fit. And when I was about to lose hope, Mario Rincon commented on one of my videos that he actually tried a cheap wheel and that's a crap, but he also posted a link into EWOW back rubber wheel, which is a direct fit, and he also said that he has done 500 kilometers on it without any issue. Thank you for that, Mario. So I headed back into AliExpress, where I could purchase this wheel, and you can see that was a little bit more expensive. But as it was the last chance, I just bought it. And this is my new wheel, so it finally arrived. It should be the direct fit, or that's at least what I expect. If I compare the size, they look rather similar. I will try to fit it in. There were also 2 bolts included and some washers. Just before I start changing the wheel, I will go for a quick ride just to have a reference of how. Fortunately, I won't be able to use my motor, as you might see. I'm working on some prototypes right here, right now. So yeah, I want to make a waterproof cover, but it's still work in progress, and I still have plenty of work to do. I will update and post a video. To assemble it like this, so these cut washers will prevent the wheel from the bolt from unscrewing from vibration. I will add those large ones on top, so that's my plan. As far as I can see, it spins freely. I don't see it touching anything. It's quiet. I think the difference is obvious. So I think the new wheel is what I would recommend you to get if you want to get a softer ride. I immediately can notice it's a bit softer, so it has a bit more rolling resistance, but at the same time it's pretty quiet. As I say, I don't have a motor now that's running, so I can't test it out on a higher speed, but just from kicking it, it looks decent. So I hope this information will be useful for you. I hope it helps you to make your decision and to improve your scooter. If you want to see more videos like that, maybe you want to learn when I will finish the waterproof cover, then you need to subscribe to my channel and give me a like for this video if you think I'm worth it. See you guys.